Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m plus 7 is equals to m minus 7, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here in the first method, we need to find the values of m, but if you see directly into the question statement, it is not possible to find the values of m. But here we use the nice technique in which we can easily get the values of m. So that's why we will apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we take squaring, it will be written as m plus 7 whole square is equals to m minus 7 whole square. And now in the next step, we use the nice algebraic formula on both of the sides, and you know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, and in the right hand side we use this formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So further in the next step, we just apply both of these two scaling on both of the sides, and when we apply both of these two formulas on here, it will be written as m square plus 2 times of m into 7 plus 7 square is equals to, in the right hand side we have m square minus 2 times of m into 7 plus 7 square. So in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is m square plus this is 2 times 7 becomes 14 m plus this 7 square and 7 square becomes 49. This is plus m square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus m square. This is minus 2m 7, 2 times 7 becomes 14, and this will becomes here 14m, and this is negative term. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes here positive. In the same pattern, this is plus 7 square and 7 square becomes 49. This means that this is plus 49, and when we move it into the left hand side, it will become minus 49, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have this is plus m square, this is minus m square are gone, and this is plus 49, this is minus 49 are also gone, and we obtain 14m plus 14m becomes 28m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need to remove this 28 from here, and when we remove 28, it means that we need to divide both of the sides by 28. So when we divide by 28, it will be written as in this form. So this 28 are gone, and we obtain here our m is equals to, this is 0 divided by 28 becomes 0. So here we easily get the value of m is equals to 0, and m equals to 0 be the only one root which we get here. But now in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of m be the solution, or is this value of m be the extraneous root. For this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m plus 7 is equals to m minus 7, and here we substitute the above value of m on both of the sides, and we check its behavior, and when we put it here, it will become 0 plus 7 equals to 0 minus 7, and we obtain 7 is equals to minus 7. This shows that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this means that the value of m equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we will record that m equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because m equals to 0 is not satisfied, and finally you see here we cannot get any other value of m which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution, because we cannot get any value of m which is satisfied our given question statement. This is the final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is, m plus 7 is equals to m minus 7. This is our given question statement. And here in the second method, our second method be the very straightforward method, and here we directly concludes about the solution chart of this problem. So for this, we move the term m from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as m plus 7. This is positive, m becomes negative, m is equals to minus 7. So this minus m and this plus m are gone, and we get here 7 is equals to minus 7. And you see here 7 is not equals to minus 7 in general, or in other words we say that it is not possible case. So if this is not possible, this means that the value here we cannot get any value of m which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about that this question has a no solution in general. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.